How to mount in Terraria. So first get a mount summoning item. So these are commonly dropped from bosses, spawn during events, or can be directly crafted. It's just depending on which specific mount you're after. Now once you have your mount, place that item into your hotbar just like you would with any other regular item. So right here, and if you left click on your mouse, you can equip it. Another way to have it is just by going to your inventory, click on the mount that you have on your inventory, then place it on the mount section right here on the right side. So you'll just basically equip it, and the hotkey to use the mount is the letter R on your keyboard. So if you press R on your keyboard, it will automatically equip your mount. So it's much better rather than equipping it in your hotbar and left clicking. So this is a much quicker and easier thing to do so that you could access your mount faster. And it can also help you in boss fights, so you could move around, do something like that. And just a quick tip, some mounts fly through the air, some swim underwater, and some just run incredibly fast across land. So check what each one does before committing to a long trip. And that's how you basically mount in Terraria.